Go. Baby's first lollipop.
Okay.
Gotta
okay,
go.
Look
Look at the tongue. It is
Do you
so
want a
cute.
lollipop? Okay.
She said no.
She's got a death grip on it. You don't want one? Bella.
Look at she's trying to get more. Oh, that's so cute.
Okay. Oh, she's got a death grip on it. Oh, I'm all sticky.
Hi, Bella. Mine is better. It is. It's pina colada.
What? You want?
Look at the hair. That is so cute. I'm about to fall backwards. Bella, don't sit up against it.
What?
Do it first. Oh. Ow! I'll be twice.
Oh, she's got it.
I'm okay.
Oh, she's got it. Death grip. Oh, we're all sticky, Auntie. We need the wipes.
I don't think so. Wait until you're done with the
look
lollipop.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Oh my gosh. Daddy. What, honey? Daddy. What? Daddy. What? I'm not his daddy.
Look how big his head is.
I don't do daddy. The titty?
You don't do titty?
I don't be my daddy. Yes, you'd be nice to the kid.
Bella's a monster. Bella. Bella. Look at me.
Okay. Okay, I think somebody needs a bottle. she's not letting go.
Just like more. Oh, look what you did. She's gonna be a hyper. Hyper's good. You guys can't see it, but she's reaching for the lollipop.
Here, let me get a bottle for her. Oh. I'm gonna sneeze. Turn that off. Turn it off.